Okay friends, you can see here my Bluetooth is connected. Evlon earbuds. Okay, just open your settings for disconnection. Open the settings application. Then select Bluetooth. You can see here ETW is connected. Tap on that name. Then select disconnect. Okay. In this way, you can simply disconnect your connected device without turning off the Bluetooth. And once more, nowadays all phones support multiple device connection. Like you can connect earpods, you can connect you can connect mouse and keyboard all together at one time. So you can simply disconnect from using this kind of options, like open the device name, then select disconnect. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.